What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Welcome to 2025 and the first video, I think, possibly the first video of 2025 apart from the shorts. However, Andar are now doing a bunch of new colours for the Aspen case. They've also sent out the mag in the same colour. They're also doing the mag wallet in the same colour as the case, but you can mix and match. I've got my iPhone 16 Pro Max here in the black titanium. They're doing 3 different colours. They're doing turquoise, solar orange and vintage tan. The one they've sent me out is solar orange in both, so let's just not waste any time. So Andar the Aspen, same as always, Aspen wrapped around the side here, 16 Pro Max, solar orange. Bit about the Aspen right there if you want to pause and read. But if we open the box, there is the solar orange with the black accents. So let's take that off. And let's jump the mag out as well. So it says carry what matters, established 2015 Andar. The mag, again, solar orange. Andar, the Spanish verb which means to carry. If we pull that out, there we go. So there is the mag wallet. Let's take that out like so. The mag wallet and the Andar Aspen 16 Pro Max case looks fantastic in the solar orange. I'm sure we all agree, looks really good, especially with the black accents on it. I wish they'd done technically T's version of this case with the black accents on it. Inside, nice microfiber inner lining, MagSafe ring, 16 Pro Max, and our full grain leather. Cut out again still for camera control. I know some people don't like it, and for me, no big deal. It means enough to get your finger in there, but it is exposed. I get what people are saying. They like cases that have got the full camera control. I'm just not that fussed really. It is what it is. If it's a cutout, it's a cutout. You know, so to get the best cases, I'll take it. Nice cutouts on the bottom for your speaker, your charge port, and your mic. Nice anodized aluminium buttons in black to match the camera ring. On the mag wallet, there's Andar on the bottom. You get this little card inside, and it is actually a card. Believe it or not, just carry what matters. The mag holds 1 to 3 cards, MagSafe compatible. And you know what this is good for? When you go to a hotel and they have those light things on the side when you walk into a hotel room and you've got to use your room key. Then you walk out the room, you forget your room key and you realise you've left it in the light thing. It's perfect. You pop that in, go out with your room key, come back in, your light's still on, whatever you need. Cutouts on the bottom to push your cards out. The Andar logo on the bottom right here. And of course that leather. So let's do the all important. Yeah, it smells pretty good. Let's go ahead and drop in my black titanium 16 Pro Max. Pop that in, and there we go. So there it is with the black titanium phone. Black cutout there for the cameras. Looks great. It matches the black titanium. And then, of course, the camera control button cutout on the side. As I say, I know some people don't like it. For me, it's not a big issue. Andar on the side, etched into the case. The black titanium buttons are nice, tactile, responsive, exactly what you'd want. And then you've got the mag wallet, so let's just go ahead and throw some cards in. So it says up 1 to 3 cards, so I'm going to throw 3 in. And it is quite tight. These cards have got no numbers on them. These are all sort of the cards are printed, and then it's either on the app but not on the actual card, and that is really tight with 3 cards in there. But obviously the leather needs to loosen as well because that is brand new. But of course, going back to this, cameras are nice and recessed into that housing so you can place it down like so. The only thing I would be concerned over is the black rubbing off if you place it down too many times. I've had that in the past. If you place it down on surfaces all the time, sometimes the black tends to chip and mark. Just be careful of that. I haven't had an Andar one do it though. I've had a couple of other cases do it, which I'll be mentioning going forward in this year. There'll be a couple of cases that I'll get like a mention of what has happened when we do an update. But there is the Andar Aspen case, and let's check out the MagSafe wallet on there. So there we go. So there is the full solar orange. As I say, comes in 3 other colours now, turquoise and vintage tan. Looks good, but let's do... Oh, that ain't coming off. And it's surprisingly on there really well. But I won't do the MagSafe test with the MagSafe battery pack because we've just done it with the wallet. So what I will do is I will bring in a Nomad base stand and we shall place it down like so. Snaps into place. Turn off the screen, and yeah, no issues. Charging and picks it up really, really well. Looks great, feels great. The leather is magnificent. Would this be something that you would go for? If you use my link in the description down below, I'm pretty certain there is a bit of discount on there for you if you use my affiliate link. Make sure you check that out. But in a new segment of the channel, I did say it was going to happen. If you've watched the channel, then you know this was coming. So there we go. So brand new scale. What we're going to do is we're going to weigh the case with the phone inside it and with the MagSafe wallet, and the case and the wallet on their own. Let's go with the wallet first. So with cards in it, 61 grams. The case with the phone in comes in at 283. If we place on the MagSafe wallet, so you know what you're getting into, with 3 cards in it as well, you're looking at 344. So that's with them in, and if we take out the cards, it's 45 grams, and then the case without the phone, it's 245 just for the iPhone, and the case weighs in at 38 grams. MagSafe is fantastic as always with Andar. There is the MagSafe wallet. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and let me know what you think of the other colours. Are the something that you'd be into, and what other colour would you like to see from Andar going forward? But as I say, use the link down below. It will give you a little bit of discount off, I'm pretty certain. So check the link down below if you want to order one of these cases. And thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.